Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on airplane mode on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, all you need to do is press and hold on the home button until you see this menu, then enable airplane mode. What it does is it disables the Wi-Fi, so you don't have internet access. It also disables Bluetooth, so you cannot connect headphones, and also it disables Joy-Con wireless connection, so the Joy-Cons can be only used if they are physically connected, like that right now. But if I disconnect them, they won't work because the airplane mode is on. So that's how it works. And if you want to turn the airplane mode off, just press and hold on the home button and turn it off. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.